Hello student, today we are going to discuss Singhage Indefinite Integration 7.1 question answer. Here is the first question. Your first question is given sec square sec x plus tan x to the whole square dx. So in this question, what should we do? Here, this question on the Here in this question, we can apply a plus b to the whole square formula. First, we have to expand this question on the formula a plus b to the whole square. So yeah, sec square x plus tan square x plus 2 tan x into sec x. Okay. So in next step, we have to integrate all these function separately. So here will be sec square x dx. Here tan square x dx plus 2 tan x sec x dx. As we know that formula of sec square dx is tan x, and you don't know the formula of tan square x, so we have to convert this tan square x into sec square x minus 1. And we know this formula. This is a standard integration. So we can write this sec x. Okay? Plus c. Tan x. Here sec square x dx minus dx plus 2 sec x plus c. And we can write as sec square x as tan x, and the integration of dx is x plus 2 sec x plus c. Here tan x plus tan x will be 2 tan x plus 2 sec x. We can take 2 as a common. So it will be tan x plus sec x minus x plus c. And this is the final answer. Okay. We can copy. Okay. Copy first. Okay. Next question is question number 2. We have to integrate 1 minus cos x into cos square x dx. So we cannot directly integrate in this question. So first we write 1 minus cos x, and we can write as cos square x as 1 upon sin square x dx. And we can also write as sin square x as 1 minus cos square x. So we can see here in denominator it will be a square minus b square. So we can change into denominator as 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. Okay. And here 1 minus cos x and 1 minus cos x will be cancelled out. So we can get 1 plus cos x. And we have to convert this 1 plus cos x into 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2. And this 1 upon cos square x by 2 will be sec square x by 2. And here 1 by 2 is constant. We can take 1 by 2 as outside the integration. So as we know that integration of sec square x will be tan x. So here this integration will be tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will be cancelled out. So final answer will be tan x by 2 plus c. Okay. Please copy this question fast so that we can move forward. Okay. Our next question is question number 3. We have to integrate a to the power mx into a to the power nx into dx. So in this question, first we have to write this in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n to the whole power x. And as you know that integration of a to the power x dx is a to the power x upon ln a plus c. So we can write as a to the power m. So integration of this function will be a to the power m into a to the power n to the whole power x upon ln a to the power n into b to the power n plus c. So this question is so simple, totally based on this formula a to the power x into dx. Okay, so we can move on next question. Our next question is question number 4. So question number 4 is integration of tan x upon sec x plus tan x dx. So in this question, we have to do first, we have to multiply sec x minus tan x into numerator and denominator. Tan x into sec x minus tan x upon sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x dx. Okay. So we can see here in denominator sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x will be sec square x minus tan square x. And we can also multiply numerator tan x into sec x minus tan square x upon sec square x minus tan square x dx. So we can see here this will be tan x into sec x tan square x, and here as you know that sec square x minus tan square x will be 1. Okay, so we can separate this function and we can integrate separately. So it will be tan x into sec x dx minus tan square x dx. And we know that integration of tan x into sec x is sec x. And we have to convert this tan square x into sec square x minus 1 dx. So we can write here sec x minus tan x plus x plus c. Okay. Copy this question fastly so that we can move forward. Have you copied? Okay. We can go to next question. Question number 5. In question number 5, what is given? In question number 5, the question is given if 1 upon x plus x to the power 5 dx is equal to fx plus c, then we have to find x to the power 4 upon x plus x to the power 5 dx. So here in this question, we can see some information is given. Okay, we have to utilize this information in our question, and we have to find x to the power 4 upon x plus x to the power 5. Okay, integration of x to the power 4 upon x plus x to the power 5 into dx. So first we have to write this, and we have to manipulate this question so that we take as uh, we have to write this x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 1, and in denominator we can write as x. First we have to take x as a common factor, so we can write as x into x plus x to the power 4. Okay, so we have to write as x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x into x plus 4. Simply we have to separate numerator. Okay, and here we can write x plus x into x plus x to the power 4 dx. So we can see here x to the power 4 plus 1 is there in numerator and denominator both. So we can cancel out. So we can get here integration of 1 upon x, and here what we can write as this integration. We have to use the information whatever given in the question. So we can write this fx plus c, and integration of 1 upon x will be ln mod x fx plus c. This will be our final answer. In the next class, we will see the next question. So thank you.